Hey guys, it's Laura with Laura's Handmade Haven. So I have a different type of video for you today. I'm doing a product review on a battery. So I'm sure that a lot of you have homes or places that you're taking care of, and you probably have some drills and power tools of some sort laying around that need batteries. And we both know that a lot of times buying replacement batteries cost almost as much as the tool did initially. It's ridiculous to try to get replacement batteries. But Bonacell has replacement batteries for a plethora of tools, including my Ryobi. So I'm going to spray some weeds today because that's just what I have to do. All right, so here's the battery. It came in a set of 2, and I did go ahead and put this battery on the charger just because I wanted to make sure I had enough juice for the whole process. But believe it or not, there was already some charge in this, so it's kind of nice. So if you have a little quick job to do, chances are when you get it, you'll be able just to pop it into your tool and use it without having to charge it. But like I said, I did charge it first, and the charger, it was no problem whatsoever. It went right on the charger, did its little magic, and the battery is now charged. So like I said, we're gonna spray some weeds. And I have my sprayer right here, and the battery slipped right in. Again, no issue. You wouldn't have even known it was a replacement battery, an off-brand, not an OEM, if you didn't like read it and know that it's not the Ryobi battery. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some stuff in here and go spray, and that way you can just kind of see that it is actually working, and you can see that the tool accepted it and was happy with it, right? So give me a minute. All right, so again, I'm just going to be spraying some of this fence line because, well, that's what I need to do today. So pretty easy. I actually like this little sprayer a lot, but it's, yeah, so here I am, just spraying away. I really think this may have been my husband's way of just getting me to do some chores that he didn't want to, but haha on him. The battery works great. And we're getting the fence line cleaned out, so that's cool. No issues at all. So this is great. Okay, so just a quick wrap up. Yeah, I mean, it's a battery and it works, and it's a replacement, and it costs probably half of what a normal replacement battery for this little machine would be. You can get them on Amazon, so check out the link in the description box below. They have a ton of information on their product page that tells you all about the batteries, what it will fit, what it doesn't. That's the one thing I would tell you to keep in mind, is just to make sure that you double check and cross-reference like what size battery you need for what tool, and just, yeah. So I call this a win, and this is great. So thanks for watching.